How to contact OnePlus customer service. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can contact OnePlus customer service. So without any further ado or delay, let us get started with today's video. If you want to contact OnePlus customer service, maybe because you have purchased any of the OnePlus products and you're having issues with it. Now go to your browser and type in OnePlus customer service, and in the end, if you're looking for a country specific customer code, type in your country over there in the end. When you do that, you'll find the first link over there which you can simply call OnePlus support over there, and you'll be able to call them, and you'll find their authorized service centers which you can call. If you're looking for a general OnePlus inquiry support, then you can go to service.oneplus.com, which will take you to this number, and you can call their toll-free number that you can see over here if you're looking for a generic customer support instead of the country specific customer support. So this way you can contact the customer support from OnePlus. Hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.